Hello there and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can scrap any website with AI very easily. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. First of all, you have to head over to this magical webscrapper.com. Basically, the tool we are going to use today is called Magico. So after going to this site, at the top left corner, you can see the link like the address. Just tap onto it or copy and paste it, and then you will be redirected to this site, and we can scroll down and we can read out all these informations. And at the right corner you can see this text called install Magical for Chrome. It's free. This one you just have to simply tap onto it and then download it. So wait until it gets downloaded. Let the page redirect. Wait, let me reload the page. So there we go. Now here you can see this blue text called add to Chrome. Tap onto this and then tap onto add extension, and then add it to your Chrome extension, or it can be any browser extension. Just add it to your browser extension very easily. So there we go. Now you have to create a work account. You can use a Google account, Microsoft account, even you can use your workout email, work email if you want. Also, you can sign in with SSO if you wish to, but for now, I'm gonna go with continue with Google. Then I'm gonna choose my Google account. So after choosing my Google account, I'm gonna tap on to continue. So after tapping on to continue, I'm gonna show you the list of the steps. Like you have to answer some basic questions. For example, your first name, your last name. So I'm gonna tap onto this one. I'm gonna answer like what type of work do I want to do. So I'm gonna tap onto finance, or also you can just scroll down and you can check all of this and find out all of them. Also you can tap onto other if you wish to, and then you have to answer that if you have a manager team or no. Then I'm going to tap onto no, then I'm going to continue. Let me choose it to finance and then continue, and wait until it loads completely. So tap on to continue, wait until let it load. There might be some type of problem right now. Let me check it out. Okay, let's try to visit a new website. You can use a spreadsheet to scrape any website if you wish to. For example, let me show you. You can see this magical website, and then here you can see this. You can export it to a new form, or also you can add to a new spreadsheet, and you can add new candidate to your account. So let's tap on to create new automation and let's test it out. Let's tap on to test it out. Now you have to choose a site from here. So we're gonna tap onto scripper.dev, this one. Okay, so let it load and analyze it. Also you can check out this. Wait, let me delete this one. Okay, also you can use it with a spreadsheet. Let me show you how you can do it. I'm gonna use Shopify for now. Okay, I'm gonna use this one, this site. We scrap it out. Let's tap onto magical AI agent and let's try it out with a spreadsheet. Add to a new spreadsheet. Let's tap onto this URL to connect it with my spreadsheet, and then I'm gonna tap onto new, and then I'm gonna tap onto allow all, then tap onto amount, and then I'm gonna save it. And let's go. Tap. You can also tap onto transform. So right now I'm gonna tap onto add to any spreadsheet to show you that how it works. So there we go. You can check. Wait, let me show you. Okay, let me grant access first of it. Then you have to log in using your Gmail account. Then tap on to continue, and you can select all if you wish to, and then you can continue again. Then there we go. You can see this spreadsheet. It is you can analyze all of the things from here. For example, event task, right from here you can add them. You can add details to it right here. For example, you can use this one, task in progress or blocked, if you wish to. So now let me show you with another website, for example, Twitter. So, or Facebook. Let me show you everything. So you just have to log in or sign up to your Twitter or Facebook. So let me sign in with this Gmail account. Wait until it loads, and I'm gonna show you how it really works. For example, I'm gonna tap onto this Starlink. Then here you can see this extension of your Magic Scraper. Now from here you can just tap on to create new automation. Also you can tap on to add to new automation, for example new site. So I'm going to choose, you can just choose all of these things from here. Even you can tap on to create new automations, and from there you can easily create new automation, for example x.com, and then from this one. Now you can fill it, like you can text template, you can use them. Wait, let me show you. You can add site info. You can see it is in scanning my site info and analyzing it with the help of AI. Then you can just add site info from here. Also, you can just create a new spreadsheet right from here. From, for example, I'm gonna tap onto job title and then save. Also, you can tap onto full name and then save it. And then you can tap done editing, and then you can just create these pages from here. So you can now go back. Also you can use these things if you want. You can export it anything if you wish to. So let's head over to our Facebook or this site, and let me show you. So there we go. Yeah, you can see you can just read them according to your need and all other things. As you can see on the customer relationships, here you can see the customer relationship, this link. On the customer contacts, you will also get that link from here. Then I'm going to tap on the event task or project tasks, and then you can just check them out. You can edit them if you wish to. On the customer opportunities, so you can just check this all of these things out. So that is pretty much it. Also you can tap onto other things. For example, let me tap onto content tracker. You can tap onto content tracker and you can edit this according to your need. You can add text if you wish to. You can add tier details. You can edit the owner name from here. You can choose the owner email and all other things. Now let me tap onto this getmagical.com. So then you can find more also, like this will find all the informations, and then you can tap insert, and there we go. You have to save it up after entering all the informations that you know, and this has saved everything. Now let me reload the page and let's go back to home. So there you can see there's one with magical scapper, one with x.com, and one with again magical scapper. So you can check it out, x.com, and then the field and then link. You can also check it out, just double tap it and you can see all of this out, and you can also delete this step if you want to. So that was pretty much it, and if this video is helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Till then, take care, goodbye, see you on to another video.